I got a new computer recently and I'm reinstalling my old software. And when I went to use Snaggit, I grabbed a screenshot. I was gonna share something to Twitter, and I noticed it wasn't that Twitter wasn't there. Now here's the new version of Twitter. Sorry, here's my version 11 that's licensed. If I go to more accessories, it brings me to this page where it says everything requires 2018 or later. If I go up here to download previous versions, I'm looking for version 11 for Twitter, and the only Twitter one I see is right there, version 13 for Snagit version 13. And then if you scroll down here, there's some attachments, and here's one more Twitter. It's called Twitter output.snagacc. There's no other Twitters there, so I download it. But when I try to install it, this is the error message. Let's double click. Tells me it's not compatible with my version of Snaggit. No, I don't want to buy the latest version of Snaggit. I just want to use what I've already paid for. Now, I noticed that this file is only 1.1K, 1138 kilobytes. I grabbed my old computer, and in my downloads file, this is actually coming from Dropbox, but it's my old one, I can see that that's 1.7 kilobytes. So that's the file I originally downloaded back in 2014. So when I double click that, oh, lo and behold, I can suddenly output with Twitter. I'm going to hit OK. Oh, and there it is, share to Twitter right up there at the top. I think this sort of forced obsolescence, when old software will still work and companies make it not work just to get you to buy, I think that ought to be illegal.